let's begin. It's been over 48 hours now since this incident that has now been reported where actor Saif Ali Khan was stabbed in his own home. However, the attacker still continues to remain at large. Despite mammoth efforts that have been put in by the Mumbai police, there has been yet no breakthrough in the case. According to sources, the alleged attacker, after escaping Saif Ali Khan's residence on the night at around 2:33 a.m. on 16th of January, was apparently caught on CCTV near the Bandra railway station. In this footage that has been accessed, the attacker is seen in changed set of clothes. Now, meanwhile, Mumbai police detained a man who resembled the intruder, but later the suspect was released after further questioning. The suspect again was brought to the Bandra police station. Currently, there are over 20 teams who are still in pursuit as far as the attacker and his movement that is being traced. As per officials, they have questioned more than 30 individuals in connection with the attack on Saif Ali Khan, including the staff, the security and other suspects. Let's in the meantime also talk about when it comes to the statements that have now been recorded of both Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan, the line of questioning that is now being accessed, what really exactly happened on that night, who saw the accused first, how did the intruder actually attack Saif Ali Khan? He was armed with a weapon. Was the intruder seen in the vicinity earlier? Was he a familiar face? How did the attacker actually dodge multiple layers of security? And does the family suspect that it was possibly an insider job? Now let's get you, in fact, when it comes to new image of the accused, of the suspected accused. That is now been accessed, and this is the new image that is now surfaced. Of course, when it comes to the CCTV footages, that seems to be the main input, where the intruder apparently is seen leaving and climbing up the stairs on that very night of the attack in a gap of about 1 hour. This is the new photo of what is said to be the suspected attacker that has now been accessed, and there are multiple leads that the police seems to be working on. A suspect who was also picked up yesterday and was questioned for multiple hours by the police was again brought in to the Bandra police station for further questioning. Let's get in a word from Nilesh now. Nilesh, who exactly is this person who is said to be the suspected attacker? Is it the attacker himself, another suspect who has been picked up by the police? Because we are still getting any confirmation or clarification on part of the police exactly who could be this man and what possibly could his motive be.
Well, good morning to you, Amita. We have been seeing that how multiple teams are working day and out to nab the said accused. However, the suspense over the accused and his whereabouts still remains out in the open, because we have been seeing that how multiple pictures are being shared by police officials. However, what we are learning through our sources is that this new screen grab is of Shahid, that is an accused individual who is a history sheeter, has a track record of breaking into houses. 4 to 5 cases has been registered. Now, this same individual is the one which was brought yesterday into Bandra police station early morning hours around 11 a.m. and later at afternoon he was released by police officials, saying that there is no connection between this individual and the attacker who attacked Saif Ali Khan at their residence. However, they have not given a very clean chit to him, because the facial feature, the body structure and other parameter which was also described by the nanny of the house, that is the house helper, matches with the said individual who was brought into police station, that is Shahid. So these grabs are of Shahid, which is from Mumbai's Versova area, that is the suburban area of Mumbai. Police is further investigating and interrogating multiple individuals. Yesterday we shared with our viewers that how the statement of Kareena Kapoor, wife of Saif Ali Khan, has also been recorded. Meanwhile, police officials are waiting for a nod from the doctors giving perspective health condition of Saif Ali Khan, after which his statement will be recorded. Now this becomes significant because police officials want to draw a parallel between statements and want to corroborate the situation which was described by the house helper, who happens to be the first individual registering her complaint with the police official and initiating the whole investigation. However, it is to a great ordeal that Mumbai police officials, who have now deployed more than 200 officials working on ground in city and out of city, are unable to not only identify but also track down the said accused, raising lot many questions as to where the security of commoners would be, how the security of common citizens
Yes,
would
we've
be.
seen that as far as
given
the questions that are now being raised over law and order, and especially when it comes to security as such a high-end area that we are talking about, the Bandra locality where this residence currently is of Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan. Meanwhile, as Nilesh was pointing out, Kareena Kapoor Khan recording a statement with the Bandra police regarding the attack on her husband and actor Saif Ali Khan. The police also having recorded the statement of the victim here in the case, which is the actor himself. Now, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has said that the police have several leads and they're working on that and they will soon arrest the intruder.
ऐसा है, उस मामले में पुलिस की तफ्तीश जारी है। पुलिस ने इसके बारे में आपको ब्रीफिंग भी दिया है। बहुत क्लूज पुलिस को मिले हैं। मुझे लगता है कि पुलिस जल्दी इस केस को जीरो डाउन करेगी।
Now, on part of reactions that have been coming in the ongoing investigation, let's talk about the man who actually took Saif Ali Khan to the hospital, to Leelavati Hospital at the dead of the night. What is being said, the auto driver who took Saif to hospital, his statement was also recorded. He is revealed in this detailed sequence, as you can take a look, right from the residence from where he picked up Saif Ali Khan in an injured condition, who he was accompanied with, who all were present in that auto rickshaw because the car and the driver weren't available at that point in time, and he sped to Leelavati Hospital to get the actor admitted. Take a look.
रात के 2:45 बज गए थे और खार वेस्ट से भजन सिंह जो है वो इसी तरीके से यही अपना वो ऑटो लेकर के बाहर निकले। और रात भजन जी, ये बताइए, आप नाइट में ही गाड़ी चलाते हैं, तो आपने कहाँ से शुरुआत की?
मैं ऐसे चाइना गेट से लेफ्ट राइट मार के ऐसे गली में जा रहा था। ये रास्ता है।
हाँ,
ये
यही बात
हाँ,
ये जो है ये घर आ गया।
ये इस गेट पे जैसे मैं वहाँ कॉर्नर पे गाड़ी रुकाया,
हाँ।
उधर से लेडी भाग के आ रही है तो इधर से भी आवाज आ रहा था। गाड़ी मेरा थोड़ा रनिंग में था, यानी स्पीड में था।
मैं बता दूं कि ये जो घर है ये सैफ अली खान का घर है, तो गेट खुला हुआ था उस वक्त?
गेट नहीं खुला था, गेट अंदर से आवाज आ रहा था। तो रिक्शा उधर से एक लेडी भी आ रही थी भागते हुए, तो उसको देख के फिर मैं रुकाया तो बोला गेट पे लगाओ। गेट पे वो रिक्शा पे बैठी नहीं, तो फिर मैं यू टर्न मार के, वो ये कॉर्नर दिख रहा, इससे यू टर्न मार के फिर गाड़ी यहाँ गेट पे लगा दिया।
गाड़ी जब आपने यहाँ पे गेट पे लगाई,
हाँ।
तो बताइए कि जगह मुझे बाहर आगे एक बार बताइए कि वो पैदल आई खुद से या फिर आप अंदर गाड़ी लेके गए?
नहीं।
हाँ ठीक है, ऐसे ही बताइए।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी। गाड़ी अंदर नहीं गई थी, गाड़ी सिर्फ इस कॉर्नर पे लगी थी।
हाँ हाँ, आइए।
गाड़ी बस इस कॉर्नर पे लगी थी ऐसा करके, बाकी जो निकल के आया तो इधर कुछ देर खड़े हो गए। हाँ, सैफ अली खान जो वगैरह जो भी थे, उनके परिजन जो थे इधर खड़े। नहीं, उनको मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया।
फिर कैसे गए आप?
फिर वो गाड़ी ऐसा करके फिर थोड़ा रिवर्स लेके फिर सीधा ऐसा निकल गया।
आप ऑटो में बैठे?
हाँ, ऑटो में बैठे।
तो बैठिए। और उसके बाद फिर कौन कौन आपके ऑटो में बैठा?
एक बच्चा था उनके साथ में।
हाँ,
एक बच्चा था और एक परिजन उनके साथ में भी था।
तो मुझे बताइए ऑटो में कौन कौन बैठे?
एक हाँ, तो बस वो एक सैफ अली खान थे, उसके बाद में एक उनके बच्चा था और एक और कोई जानकार।
तो उस वक्त सैफ अली खान लेकिन क्या दर्द में थे, खून से लथपथ थे, क्या कुछ कैसे क्या कपड़े पहने, कुछ याद है आपको?
वो पूरा वाइट कुर्ता सलवार उनका जो होता ना, वो नाइट ड्रेस पहनते सब पूरा वाइट। हाँ,
और खून लगा हुआ था कपड़े?
खून, हाँ, पूरा लथपथ थे खून से। हाँ, पूरा ब्लडी दिख रहा था, बहुत ज्यादा जैसे घाव लगा होगा।
जी।
हाँ,
खून भी बह रहा था?
हाँ, खून भी बह रहा था। तब मैं देखा तो मैंने कुछ घाव लगा इसके लिए, तो फिर मैं भी थोड़ा इमोशन सा हुआ, डर भी लगा मेरे को। मैंने
आपको पहले क्या लगा जब आपने खून से लथपथ एक सवारी देखी?
हाँ,
आपको क्या लगा?
मेरे को ऐसा डर सा लगा कि मैंने अरे कहीं गलत तो सवारी नहीं बैठा लिया मैं, मेरे को ऐसा डाउट हुआ।
जी।
हाँ,
तो उसका क्या कुछ बातचीत चल रही थी और क्या वो डरे हुए थे या होश में थे या बेहोश थे?
नहीं, होश में थे, डरे हल्के से सहमे हुए थे।
सहमे हुए?
हाँ, सहमे हुए, जैसे डर का माहौल बना था, मगर इतने भी डरे नहीं थे। बच्चे से थोड़ा इंग्लिश में बात, अपना कुछ भी हल्का फुल्का बात कर रहे थे, तो मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है। फिर लीलावती में सीधा निकाल दिए, यही रोड है, ये गार्डन से ऐसा निकाल के
ये अभी कौन सा खाल का ये बैंड गार्डन आई?
हाँ, ये गार्डन आ गया अपना।
जी। तो आपको क्या ये कहा गया कि थोड़ा तेज चलाओ?
हाँ,
खून बह गया किसी ने कहा है?
हाँ, कहा था बीच में, बोला कि थोड़ा भैया कितना टाइम लगेगा? मैंने बस 2 मिनट में पहुंचा देता हूँ आपको मैं।
क्या कितने बजे होंगे तकरीबन?
वही 3-3 बज रहा होगा।
Let's in the meantime, as we were showing you the pictures of the suspect who was earlier picked up by the police and was questioned. The police now, meanwhile, we are getting fresh CCTV footages as well. What is now we are learning as far as the new CCTV footage of the same suspect and the video of the suspect who was held by the police. And this video reportedly is from the Warsaw area. And on camera, the suspect has been caught apparently committing some theft. So, Nilesh, now this individual, the suspect who has been picked up, it seems to be a completely different attempted robbery where he has been picked up and also questioned by the police. I believe Anuril is also with you. So this man is not related when it comes to the stabbing incident of Saif Ali Khan.
Well, yes, Amita, that is what is something the police official as of now are saying. They have been mentioning that how the individual who was brought yesterday, that is Shahid, who was detained yesterday, is not directly related to the case. However, the suspense over the real attacker still remains. Arunil is joining us to further describe where all questions are arising, especially onto the functioning of Mumbai police, because we have been constantly stating that how multiple teams, more than 200 employees of Mumbai Police and Crime Branch are working upon the case, but yet no breakthrough. Arunil, what is your take on this?
Well, I was speaking to one of my sources from the Maharashtra Home Ministry as well. Clearly, pressure mounts on the Maharashtra government, CM Devendra Fadnavis, as well as on the Mumbai Police, Mumbai Crime Branch as well. The reason for that is it has been more than 50 hours now since a kind of an unprecedented incident this took place, wherein an attacker, intruder gets into a building with heightened security at Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor's residence, breaks into their residence as well. The attacker's face is captured on CCTV, but till now, Mumbai Police seems to have no clue where the accused is. Yes, the suspect was earlier detained. Then we also got a message from the joint CP saying that it is not related, a kind of a face-saving act that they were initiating. Last night, then again, they bring the same suspect who was detained to the police station. Then what happened in the middle of night last night basically was more than 15 people who stay or who are working around Saif Ali Khan's residence. They were called in to basically corroborate and confirm the suspect who has been kept over here. But till now, what is paramount to discuss over here is that the Mumbai Police seems to have no clue about it. Crime Branch has been repeatedly saying that we have not been kept in the loop. A kind of a miscommunication is also been seen between the two teams. One of the most elite forces when it comes to investigation is the Mumbai Police, but here clearly pressure mounts on them. Yes, one of the significant aspect is that Kareena Kapoor's statement indeed was recorded. Maharashtra Home Ministry sources also basically tell me that they at least for now feel that it is a case of burglary. There is no trace of an underworld intervention in this, or for that matter, Bishnoi angle is also not being looked into, at least for now.
So the gang angle is not yet confirmed and is not being also looked into. However, it is a lot many questions that is being raised onto the officials, as Arunil has rightly been pointed, because
right now it seems to be the same suspect that was picked up by the police yesterday. This is a completely different matter that we are looking at. Not even directly linked as far as Saif Ali Khan's stabbing case is concerned, but the police still are said to be on the lookout for the actual intruder who continues to remain at large. However, when it comes to this individual, the suspect who was picked up by the police, this is another matter that we are looking at of him committing theft, where he was picked up by the police and has been questioned for several hours. Let's in the meantime also talk about when it comes to Saif Ali Khan's family members and friends in Bollywood, how they are also constantly visiting him, his wife, his mother, his sisters, his children, his brother-in-law, mother-in-law Babita Kapoor as well, extended family members, Alia and Ranbir Kapoor, friends in Bollywood, Malaika, Amrita Arora, Sanjay Dutt, Arjun Kapoor, Ritesh and Janina Deshmukh. They have all visited him since his hospitalization, and many of them have also reacted as they have been saying that this is a shocking incident. However, they believe that the entire city is still safe. This is an incident that has now been reported, which is quite rare, and they are wishing the actor speedy recovery.
जो आप कह रहे हैं वो बहुत ही सैड इंसिडेंट है एंड हम सब कंसर्न्ड हैं, हम सब फ्रेटर्निटी से बहुत कंसर्न्ड हैं. वी होप दैट सैफ्स हेल्थ इज बेटर एंड वी होप दैट ही इज फीलिंग बेटर. और आई थिंक हम सब बहुत ही शॉक थे जो हुआ उसके साथ. इतनी पर्सनल स्पेस में बहुत ही बहुत ही मुश्किल चीज़ है अब्जॉर्ब करना मुंबई जैसे शहर में. यहाँ पे आई एम श्योर पुलिस पूरी कोशिश कर रही है. ऐसा होता नहीं है बॉम्बे. बहुत ही मुंबई सेफ शहर है. तो बहुत ही शॉकिंग इंसिडेंट है एंड वी आर होपिंग दैट उनकी हेल्थ जल्दी रिकवर करे. वी आर होपिंग एंड प्रेइंग फॉर हिम ऑल द टाइम.
No, I think it's very, very sad. सैफ भाई अभी ठीक है, विच इज़ वेरी गुड और बहुत कमाल के इंसान है. बट आई थिंक अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट थी. बट ऑफ कोर्स मुंबई से वेरी सेफ प्लेस, बहुत कमाल की सुरक्षा को कोई वहाँ पे दिक्कत नहीं है. बट ऐसे अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट्स जो होते हैं, आई थिंक दैट कीप्स अस ऑन अ टोज कि हमें और ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि आगे ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स ना हो.
Now let's in the meantime get you another round of information which is coming in, where the police has called certain people who were there near Saif Ali Khan's residence that night. These people who have been called in to see the suspect and to confirm his identity were more than 15 such people who were called in last night by the police, and these are those people who were around Saif Ali Khan's house that night. They were called in to identify the suspect. So the man who was picked up by the police and also was questioned for several hours, it seems that his identity, to confirm his identity rather, when it comes to the people there who was in the house, who were around the very building, they have been called in by the police to identify if this was the same man who is the said intruder, and if it is matching as far as his picture or the CCTV, the grab that has now been worked up on the police there, as far as the intel still remains, when there are at least 15 of those witnesses that has now been called in by the police there, and they are the people who were there around Saif Ali Khan's house that night, and they were called in to identify the suspect, if they have seen him before, is he a familiar face, was there anyone who was helping him probably, how did he gain access to the building, how was he aware of the building layout, all of these questions that now still remain. However, when it comes to the actor's health condition is concerned, the team of doctors who have operated and performed surgery on the actor Saif Ali Khan, they say that he is in a much better condition, he is recovering, he is said to be stable, but the attack could have cost him his life, as he barely escaped as far as a serious injury to his spine. Saif, who was stabbed nearly multiple times, 6 times, as he tried to save his son Jay, and the attacker then struck Saif on his neck, on his wrist, and stabbed near his spine. It was just 2 mm close to the actor's spine. So a very, very narrow escape for the actor. Doctors say that a deeper cut near his spine could have caused much more damage and possibly could have been a fatal one. Doctors have also shared, as far as when it comes to his health condition is concerned, saying that he's been responding well, and he seems to be like a real life hero. As far as the pictures that are now coming in, this is when it comes to that weapon, the part of the knife that was still said to be lodged in Saif Ali Khan's back was something that was extracted by the surgeons there, because it got stuck in his body there. That's that part of that weapon there, and it was extracted via surgery. And here's what the doctors have said about Saif Ali Khan's recovery.
We have seen him today in the morning, and Mr. Saif Ali Khan, the great actor, is back to normal. He is able to walk, he is recovering very well, excellent, and he is quite positive, and he is very happy about his recovery. As per his examination and is able to walk, we have decided to shift him from the ICU to the room. But strictly we have advised him for the rest, because of the spinal injury and the surgery which has undergone on the spine and the dural repair because for the CSF or the spinal fluid leaking.
I think, Nilesh, we'll come back to that question as far as the people there, the witnesses there who were also called in to probably confirm and identify the same suspect. What more can you tell us on that account?
Well, Samita, as we have been pointing out, that the CCTV grab which Times Now has been able to access is of Shahid, who happens to be a habitual offender, has multiple cases of house breaking, has now been detained by police officials, and our police officials are constantly speaking to him. However, officials, the top cops, have confirmed to us that he is not directly related to the case. However, we cannot say that a clean sheet has been given to him. He is also part part of investigation, as police officials are already interrogating more than 30 people as of now, including the family members and the staff members of Saif Ali Khan. However, we are constantly, the bigger question here arises to the measures that police officials are not able to track down the said accused. Meanwhile, the politics around the lawlessness of the state also continues. Now we have Arunil joining us. We'll just try to understand the political perspective of the attack that took place on Saif Ali Khan. Arunil, how do you see? We can see on one hand how Mumbai police officials and crime branch are somewhat lacking into identifying and getting a nab onto the said accused. Meanwhile, politics also continues.
Well, that is right. In today's Samna as well, basically the mouthpiece of Uddhav Thackere's Shiv Sena, they have launched a scathing attack at CM Devendra Fadnavis as well as the Maharashtra government, basically saying what they have written in Samna is that Fadnavis may be saying that these kind of incidents happen in a city of Mumbai, but it is happening at a regular interval in Mumbai, and this is happening in a place like Bandra, which is an affluent part of the city of Mumbai. They have also mentioned the previous incidents, be it the attack on Salman Khan's house, be it the gruesome Baba Siddiqui murder, and now this unprecedented attack with somebody entering into a fortified building, and then again a residence of Salman Khan and Kareena Kapoor, which obviously has a heightened security. How that was possible, how the accused was able to basically escape from after committing the crime as well, that has been asked.
Vilas Amitan, as we have been pointing out, that it is not the first case, not the first time that a A-lister star has been attacked. Remember, Shah Rukh Khan receiving death threats, Salman Khan house was fired upon multiple rounds, and then later on a senior leader, Baba Siddiqui, was killed, was shot dead outside
on the
his
police
son's
and the crime branch to act effectively with multiple teams that have been formed. However, it's been over 48 hours now since this incident being reported, and the attacker still continues to remain on the run. Thank you very much, Nilesh and Arunil, for joining in. We head into a short break.